Hey guys, I wanted to thank our sponsors GameFlip ICO, where you can get paid to play video games. Check out their token sale page for more information and a chance to win $1,000 in GameFlip tokens by signing up for their newsletter. Their ICO starts on December 4th and runs until January 29th.
What's up, everybody? How's everyone doing today? Hey, Jenny. Hi, Christina. How are you today? Hope everyone's appreciating all these great. Josh, hello. Strother, one of our loyal viewers. How are you doing today? Hopefully everyone is enjoying this growth. I certainly am. I mean, can you guys all hear me well? Okay. Hit that like button if you can hear me well, and if you like the content. I'm still Sam's been streaming a lot longer than I have, but I guess I'm kind of taking the reins a little bit, but if you like the content, please hit the like button. Just hit that thumbs up. That'd be fantastic for me. Lets the community know that this video was worth watching. Thank you guys so much. All right, so if you have not joined our Facebook group, actually let's go through these shares first. Okay, so I told you guys yesterday that to share this page and you'll be winning some free Kyber. So let's see who shared. So we have 6 shares. Okay. So we have 6 shares, and I will do 1 through 6. I'm not going to see what order they're in. And so random name generator. No, we need a random number generator. So real quick, guys, sorry. Let me just do this real quick. So, okay. So hold on. Let's just do this one more time. All right. Because it was kind of laggy. All right. We're going to do this one more time. Number 1, whoever is number 1 who shared it will be the winner. Okay. So Ariel Clemente Sanchez, you win some free Kyber. We will reach out to you. Congratulations. Hello, Christina. Hello, Kailash. Hello, Multiman. Hello, Edmeen. Hopefully everyone's doing good. Everyone around the world doing well today. BTC is doing great. So I posted in the group yesterday. If you haven't liked our page, like our page. We're gonna post this video when it becomes available. Hit that share, and you'll be eligible to win that Kyber, just like Ariel won today. So fantastic. Let's check this out. So I posted this in the group yesterday. Thank you, everyone, for reporting posts yesterday at 3:08. And I said, hey, there's a falling wedge. Is there possibly a breakout? And I drew this up yesterday at 3:29 p.m. Right now, it's 8:51 p.m. back in PST on December 1st, actually. I'm in California here. So I drew this little chart, and this is what it was like. So I really thought we were going to actually have a falling wedge reversal, looking at the RSI and everything, and let's see what happened. Okay, so we saw that breakout, and we are back at 11,000. And that's exactly what I expected. And I drew these fractals maybe months ago in September. So what are these fractals? What do they really do? So these are moving average cross intersections. So there's multiple crosses here, and there are multiple crosses here. So I drew these fractals, and another fractal here from the high to low, high to low. You see it's crossing through all these purple lines. And I drew this. I kept drawing this, and I knew that it was going to hit these fractals eventually. And what do we know? We have finally hit these levels. So we finally hit these $11,000 levels, and that is our upward trending resistance. And we have these upward trending support. That dark green line is at our upward trending support. Anytime it gets too high, you sell. Anytime it gets too low, you sell. Actually, I'm not going to sell. Tell you guys the truth, I am not going to sell. If it hits over 13,000, I'm just going to let it ride the wave, because new trends are being formed every day. You got to stay up on the TA, guys. Got to stay up on the TA. You got to stay up to date on Bitcoin. You should never sleep on the crypto markets. Now, remember, the crypto markets are open 24/7. Okay, they're open 24/7. The traditional market is open 5 days a week for 8 hours. 5 days a week, 8 hours. So therefore, you consolidate 3 days of volatility and price action, and you get that in one day in cryptocurrency markets. 3 days, so 8 hours a day, only Monday through Friday, the NASDAQ is open, right? The NYSE, New York Stock Exchange is open. Only 5 days out of the week, 7 days out of the week, the crypto markets are open. And they're only open, they have bank holidays, and they're only open for 8 hours a day. So you combine all that volatility, and that's what you get, okay? That's what you get. You get this intense volatility. You get these price action. You get this amazing swing trading opportunity. I actually bought a little bit down here as soon as I thought the breakout was going to happen. Just a tad bit, only like a couple percent here and there. And it shot up. I made a nice gain. And I told you guys to look out for QTOM, and QTOM did great, but everything's doing great today. So everything follows a leader. Remember that, guys. Everything follows a leader. And again, I'm reading the live chat here. If you guys have any questions or want any specific coins for me to go over, I will go over that for you tonight, today. I love doing this, guys. That's why I'm here. I absolutely love doing this. And if I'm mistaken, or if you want me to go over something, I will totally go over that with you guys. But first, let's go back to CryptoSomniac.com and let's see what's going on in the market. Let's see. Hey, Trollbox is being used a lot more. Cool. Okay. So we're back here. Okay. Ethereum up 5%, Litecoin up 16.87%. Amazing gains for Litecoin, but it did drop quite a bit. It dropped around to 83 mark. So, I think 83 was well below the threshold that I was predicting. But it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Okay, let's just keep going through the markets, and then I'll get to you guys' questions. Stellar Lumens absolutely exploding. Let's all welcome IBM. That was the stuff. Like, look at that, guys. If you haven't checked out CryptoSonic, it aggregates all the top news right fresh. So all the tweets, all the Twitters, all the official Twitter handles for these companies, for these ICOs, or I guess established companies now. I mean, Stellar Lumens is $1.7 billion. $1.7 billion. That is insane. A month ago, people were writing off, 2 months ago, rather, people were writing off Stellar Lumens. This is what a scam coin. This guy hired his wife as or girlfriend as an executive. He tried to screw over Ripple, and the board actually kicked him off. And now it's a $1.7 billion company. This is where dreams come true, guys. Cryptocurrencies, dreams coming true. Cryptocurrencies right here. You're looking at it right here. Stellar Lumens, 9 cents. That's insane, guys. Absolutely insane. All right, let's keep going through the markets. It was astonishing to me. NEO struggling behind a little bit, but they have a lot of good news coming up, so don't count NEO out. NEO is a fantastic contender here. NEM, never been a big fan of NEM. Unfortunately, I've never been a big fan of NEM. Really high, 8 billion coins in supply. Really low volume, 15 million transacted. That is nothing, guys. Like, what am I going to do with 15 million? I mean, look at these big players up in here. Tether, 808 million. I mean, Tether, that's another story. A little bit scammy, a little bit conspicuous nature. Zcash, ZK Snark's not even revolutionary anymore, and Zcash still being traded 75 million. So NEM, I'm not the most bullish on NEM, I would say. OmiseGO, about to hit that $9 mark. Absolutely amazing, guys. QTOM, well over 13, or was well over 13. Dropped a little bit, but still $13 nevertheless. Komodo, doing fantastic. Status, doing great. I mean, let's take a look at that. I mean, we're going to go straight onto the status Twitter. We've been busy. Take a look at the development progress made over the past week. All right, and it doesn't want to load for me. Okay, perfect. Anyways, just technicals and GitHub commits, I'm sure. But fantastic from Status. I love seeing this. I love good marketing, and I love good PR. I absolutely love good PR. But whatever the hell they're doing here, this pinned tweet Status, if you guys are watching this, this pinned tweet is from September 26th. You guys got to do something about that. I mean, November 1 through 4th, like, okay. Change that, please. Anyways, first blockchain smartphone preloaded with Ethereum mobile client status. Wow. Okay, this is some pretty big stuff here. 42 retweets, 48 retweets. Anytime it goes viral, that's when you know it's a good time to buy, guys. That's when you know it's a good time to buy. All right. Let's keep going through the markets, and I will get back to you guys on your questions and comments. I love keeping this interactive, guys. Like, I think, this YouTube channel especially, we like to keep an open discussion. We made it clear that we don't like some coins. Cough, cough, BitConnect. And we made it clear that we like some coins, Qtum, Neo, things like that. Stellar's in that gray area. IBM partnership aside, I think it's, amazing they had an IBM partnership, but, a little sketchy how it started. Basically a Ripple clone. Tether, again, very sketchy as well. But we'll let's just keep going through the markets, guys. Walton up 17%, up to about $8. Massive gains, guys. Massive gains. Einsteinium. Now it is tending towards one of the worst coins I've ever seen when it comes in terms of marketing. When you see the volume is $139 million and the market cap, the total market cap, this company worth is 178. It's almost 80 to 75%, 80 to 75%, guys, is the total volume, is the net worth. That's not very stable to me. This growth can't be sustained. Sketchy, guys, sketchy. And we're going to go over that, actually, in the YouTube ending, why I think Einsteinium is basically a glorified pump and dump. I mean, just a corporation level, you can't be doing this kind of sketchy things that Einsteinium is doing. But we'll go over that later. Syscoin doing amazing, absolutely amazing. I actually sold off all my SIA coin that I was just sitting in Poloniex. I exited Poloniex. I hate that exchange, but actually I haven't exited it completely. I just lied to you guys. I had some SIA coin in there and I sold all of it. I didn't even remember. I was like, hey, I wonder what's in my Poloniex. Had a bunch of SIA coin and I bought a bunch of Syscoin and it's doing quite well already. So fantastic. Ethos, almost the same as Bitcoin's, not very bullish. If any YouTuber is shilling this, do your homework, guys. Don't let anyone, don't let me, don't let the other YouTubers, don't let anyone persuade you to buy something or sell something without doing your own due diligence. A good investor is an educated investor. And I truly, truly believe that. And you shouldn't over leverage or trust anyone blindly. Absolutely not. And, we're just going to keep going through this. I am reading your guys' post. BitConnect, yeah, BitConnect, not the greatest, guys. Not the greatest. But let's keep going through here. QuantStamp, doing okay. I'm going to go over a detailed QuantStamp in a future presentation. I think actually Sam might do that. He's a little bit better of a presenter than I am. But I think we're definitely going to go over that QuantStamp. We're gonna make a presentation for you guys. Don't want to leave anything unturned. Skycoin. Don't know what that is. I'm just to tell you the truth. Don't know what that is. But at $117,000 in volume, maybe it's gonna fade into irrelevancy. Who knows? BitBay exploding. All right, man, coming out of the ashes. Patrick Dye probably very happy. Patrick Dye, who is now with Qtum, the founder of Qtum, actually came from BitBay. It's very important to know because there's some gray, shady area. Still bullish on Qtum. Not saying you should sell it or buy it, but it's something that you guys should know. You should know the entire educational or the entire portfolio of a company before you do invest in it. Vertcoin exploding. I love to see this. Wow, $6.53. But anyways, let's keep going back. And let's go through the charts again and go through some of your comments. Again, just follow our page and like our page and reshare this page once it does become available. It'll be good stuff. So I did post this in the group. So we also have a Facebook group if you want to stay interactive with the community. Absolutely great stuff coming out. A lot of shitty stuff, but you guys have been doing such a good job deleting a lot of the stuff that is just scammy, just straight up scammy. So we determined that this was a falling wedge breakout, falling wedge reversal. This is exactly what I said in the Moon Lounge. We do this Moon Lounge. Just a little sneak peek of the Moon Lounge. Moon Lounge subscription will be running out tonight. So if you do want to get in, make sure you go into the Patreon link below and sign up tonight. And we showed this chart yesterday, and just a little sneak peek. And I said this was a falling wedge reversal, and let's see what happened. It was a falling wedge reversal. So if you would have bought it at $9,500 price, you would have been up around $1,000, $1,500 if you would have sold it at $11,000. Right at our sell point right there, right at that fractal right there, that upward trending resistance. Absolutely amazing. Okay, let's go through your guys' live chat. I have to scroll back quite a bit here. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Thoughts on EOS? All right, let's check it out. I love EOS, man. I don't really love EOS yet because it's completely unproven, but I love Dan Larimer. I love BitShares, even though I essentially can't use it. I've tried to download it on 2 different computers. There's absolutely no liquidity, and it connects me to some server in Berlin. I don't know what's going on. If anyone's connected to BitShares, please leave a comment below. That would be fantastic. And again, if you're watching this late, leave the comments below, just so I could gauge your interest on what coins to cover. I don't cover ICOs too much on these live streams, but I do like to go look at what the market's really, or what my viewers, are interested in. So yeah, I do like to see that. So let's go over EOS, EOS USD. Let's go over it in Bitfinex. Let's see what EOS is at. Not at 321, is it? EOS is not at 321. Is my EOS really worth that much? Hold on. Oh my god, that's insane. 15% on EOS. This thing is still in the ICO stage. You're literally just... I don't know where this money's being pumped in from. It's just amazing. It's just amazing. Okay, let's draw out EOS, guys. I'm going to be here for a while, guys, going over all your favorite coins. So don't worry. I will get to your coin if you are talking in the live chat. And keep that community, keep that live chat, keep going up. Wow, actually, this doesn't look that great. I'll tell you the truth. That does not look good for EOS. All right, so... we are looking at this upward trending line, and I'm just going to draw this out, guys. This is how I'm looking at it. That red line right there, the top red line right there, that looks like a double top to me. But the MACD is not telling me it's a double top. The MACD says, hey, I'm still going top. There's no more negative momentum. Wow. This is pretty impressive from EOS. Let's check it out. Okay, buy signal hitting there. Sell signal still pretty far away. Let's look at the hourly. Let's zoom into the hourly. Let's see what we're... hourly not looking great, so it is the double top. That is a double top looking like it. Yeah, it's looking exactly like a double top. We're headed down. We're headed down. Maybe we'll bounce off this line. Maybe we'll drop below this line. I think we may even drop below this line. Probably around that 275, 250 mark. That's where I would queue at. We're going down, guys. If you have EOS, think about selling. If it's still at this 321, it's at 333 now. Okay, what the hell is going on? I did not know it was up 15%. Absolutely amazing. I love EOS. Definitely long-term hold if you're a day trader. You could swing trade like this. You're looking at that hourly top. You're looking at that hourly MACD cross. We know it's going down. You guys on this channel know it's going down in the immediate short term, but things could be changing within 3 or 4 hours. That's why I say don't sleep on the markets, guys. This is always happening. This is always changing. Let's keep going through your coins. Okay, that was my analysis on EOS. Another sell signal hitting on EOS. So, going down in the extreme short term. But again, if you're in it for the long term, hold on to your EOS. Highly believe in that. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. EOS. DRGN hit Ether Delta today, doing nicely. Disney Brainchild, yeah. There's a lot of crap hitting Ether Delta. We primarily try to stick above the 200 mark, 200 top coins here on this channel. But again, that doesn't mean that I haven't invested in some speculative coins. I've had 2017's been great to me. I've got around. I think I calculated my portfolio. I have 6,000% gains. Yeah, swallow that, guys. It's 60x. So 6,000% gains. Absolutely amazing year for me. I actually, this is my full-time job now. All I do is the Moon Lounge, and I trade. We're setting up this website. We do a lot of ICO consulting. So absolutely great year. I'm really blessed, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I mean, it wouldn't be possible without you guys. We started this channel back in June. Me and Sam actually. Sam actually moved out here. We lived in my one little small Los Angeles apartment for about 3 months. No, he lived in my apartment for about 2 months, right on the couch. It sounded that we couldn't afford it, but we wanted to make sure this was the right move. We treated it as like a business. We made sure that we went on every single day. Online every single day, traded every single day, made sure we're educating the market. I took every single cryptocurrency course out there, every single cryptocurrency course out there, and then we developed Sam's course off of those things that we liked, things that we didn't see. Sam has read 4 Bitcoin books, and right now I'm learning Solidity, so we are neck deep in the cryptocurrency game. So really appreciate you guys watching, and thank you so much to all my live streamers, and I see a lot of people coming back, so thank you so much. Okay, BCC hoping for a pump. All right, I'm not a big fan of Bitcoin Cash, and if you're talking about BitConnect, we're not even going to talk about it. BitConnect, we're not going to be talking about BitConnect, okay? No BitConnect talk here. Let's go. Let's look at the Bitcoin Cash. Let's see. Not looking great on the hourly. Yeah, I think it could even go down on the hourly. Let's see. 2 hour. 2 hour looking like it's waning. 1 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, we're headed down. We're headed down. That is a strong cross, guys. We're headed down for Bitcoin Cash. Absolutely. There's multiple sell signals. I don't like the buy and sell signal. That's a lot of market uncertainty. I try to stay away from those coins. Let's look at the candlesticks and see what they're really saying. Look at all those hammers. Let's just zoom in here. Look at those hammers. We have a doji, hammer, doji, hammer. What is a hammer, guys? What is a hammer? My loyal viewers know this. Oh, no. I'm knocking around my green screen back here. What is a hammer? Hammer means we are making a decision, and that decision is down. That decision is down. And what do we see here? Inverse hammers when it's low, hammers when it's too high. Doji's market uncertainty. You sell when you see too many dojis or hammers. Absolutely. That's what I would do. And I'm not holding on to too much Bitcoin Cash. It's essentially just a hedge. I have sold about around 70% of my Bitcoin Cash. Still have a fair amount of Bitcoin Cash though, but it is definitely a hedge for me. All right, enough for Bitcoin Cash. Let's keep going through the sticks here. Okay, Vertcoin. Got to go through Vertcoin, guys. Who doesn't like a nice Vertcoin graph? Who doesn't like a nice GPU, mineable GPU processing? Okay, wow. All right, I got to turn off these candles. This is messy. Okay, so we drew this downward resistance line, and that resistance line, that support line, we had multiple bottoms, so we had almost a double bottom here, and we knew we were going to go up. We were absolutely sure that we were going to go up. We went up, and something happened on the third. What happened on the third, guys? 11.3. Let's look at what happened with Bitcoin. Nothing really drastic happened with Bitcoin, but we did see Bitcoin Gold. So Bitcoin Gold is the direct competitor to Vertcoin. It's a direct competitor to Vertcoin. So Bitcoin Gold, I actually can't even pull up the chart that early because it didn't even hit Bittrex at that point, because Bitcoin Gold came out October 24th. So the blockchain was still stabilizing, wasn't being traded actively other than Binance, and Binance is a non-trading view, so we're not going to be able to compare it. But that's why we saw this downward trend, and then we bounced off that support one more time, shot up, and then we, kind of bounced around again. Let's look at what's happening with Bitcoin. And Bitcoin plummeted a little bit, and we saw Vertcoin plummeting. Everything follows the leader, okay? And we continued following down. Continued following down, but we knew that this was our line. This was our trajectory line. And we knew we were going to have some recovery. And you see this cross, this purple cross. What does that purple cross mean? I'll just hide it and then show it again. That is a 66 candle average crossing with the 6 candle average. So my 6 candle average is the daily average. So since I'm on the 4 hours, so that's 6 candles, so that's 24 hours. And 66 candle average, that is of the 11 day. So that crosses the 11 day and the 1 day average. And I love using 6 and 66. That is a great, absolutely great thing. A lot of people use 7 and 77. Some people use 10 and 100. I like 6 and 66. I think it's nice and cyclical to me. 4 hours. I love looking at the 4 hour intervals, and the 4 hours is a day. So 6 candles is a day. So 6 candles on the 4 hour interval is 1 day, right? So I like looking at that chart or that interval. So as soon as we hit that, what happened? We broke out. We broke the hell out, and that's exactly what happened. Bitcoin broke out. Vertcoin broke out. Almost everything broke out right then and there. And we're continuing to go up. And this is where we belong, guys. And I think this is looking like a doji here. Let's look at this. Exactly. So you see that, guys? We see that doji right here. Right here. I'm going to draw it out here. That is not drawing out. So we hit that doji, guys. And since we hit that doji, what does that mean? That's uncertainty. That is a lot of uncertainty. So we're going to go back, zoom out, and look at the MACD. MACD looking like we may have hit a top. We may have hit a top and a wave trend looking like it's a sell signal. Don't read this. This is an old comment. Maybe looking like a sell signal. Let's look at the 2 hour. We're in the 4 hour before. 2 hour looking like a top, guys. Sell signal already hitting. It's a good time to sell. It is a good time to sell. Let's look at the 1 hour. A weak cross on the 1 hour. Maybe not a good time to sell. Maybe we'll float on top of this resistance line. So see how that all played out. Looking at a small subsection is not something that you want to do. So I don't think we're going to be headed down for Vertcoin. The halvening is happening on the 12th. So what is the halvening? The block size is 25. Is it 50? Yeah, it's 50. It's 50 coins per block, right? So if your pool, or if you have solved that block, if you've mined that block, and you pretty much you're rewarded for verifying the ledger, right? Verifying the transaction. So you get 50 as your reward for mining this Bitcoin, or pretty much maintaining the ledger. Bitcoin, mining the Vertcoin. You get 50. You get 50 Vertcoin. So the halvening, to reduce inflation, what it does is it actually splits that in half. So now the reward is only 25. For Bitcoin, it's 12.5. But for now, Vertcoin, it is hitting 25. And for Bitcoin, it's 12.5 right now, and it'll reach 6.25 in 2020, the year 2020. So the stoic is still low. The stoichiometric RSI is still low. We're not headed down here, guys. I don't think we're headed down anytime soon. RSI, regular RSI is still fairly high, but stoichiometric is not too low. So I don't think we're going to be headed down for now. All right, let's keep going through power. I love power. Let's check it out. Power ledger. I'm going to hide these candles. Sorry, guys. We're going to pull it out to the 4 hour. Oops. All right, what the hell kind of drawing was this? I have no idea. Disregard those green lines. You know, sometimes I draw these and I forget why I even drew them in the first place. But we're going to continue looking at this. 4 hour, not looking great for Power Ledger. Sell signal on the Power Ledger, looking like you could definitely. I think you could pick up some cheaper Power Ledger. Looking like a top, maybe a false top. We'll find out. But yeah, I think you'll be able to pick up at that 0.0005. I think you could definitely pick some up there. Everything's headed down. Stoichiometric RSI is headed down. Therefore, it's looking like we are in a small short sell-off. I don't expect it to break down this low. Let's bring it up a little bit. Whoa, that is too far up. Okay. So it's either going here, it's snapping back. Okay, this is fantastic. All right, there you go. Okay. Well, okay. That's what I'm thinking for power. I think we're definitely headed down. We're gonna continue looking into the 1 hour and see. Wow. See how wrong I could be sometimes? That it's looking like now they hit a buy signal in the 1 hour. So this is saying we've hit our low in the 1 hour. So absolutely I'm wrong. Absolutely I'm wrong. See how different time frames give you different statistical advantages. So therefore, Power Ledger is a decent buy right now. So we're going to continue looking at Power Ledger here. Let's just power. So we're looking at that. Only a 3.83% gain. 57,000 traded today. And we're going to go on to Bittrex and see what's good. We're going to go to the markets. Power Ledger books looking not too bad. Not too big sell walls, not too big buy walls, but you know, this is a very speculative gain. Wow, look at that bid. What was that 68 cents a Power Ledger? 17,000, 1 Bitcoin. So someone has a $10,000 wall here. It's pretty nice. But look at all those sell signals coming back in here. Some major market suppression going on here. So What would I do here on Power Ledger? What would I do here on Power Ledger? Let's see. I still think it could drop. I'm not buying. I would not buy Power Ledger right now. I still think it could drop. I would have to do my research a little bit more. I definitely would need to see where else it would be. Where else? Let's go to CoinMarket. Where else is it being sold? What other exchanges is it being sold on? Let's check this out. Power. No one man should have all that power. A little bit of Kanye for you. Bittrex, okay. So we're at the right exchange, right? Yeah, don't buy power. Absolutely don't buy power right now. I mean, you could for a really short-term trade. You know, but it's just too risky for me. I just wouldn't do it. It's not a strong enough signal for me to buy. All right, let's check it out. IOTA partnerships left and right too. IOTA. What can I say about IOTA, guys? What can I say about IOTA? Super speculative, guys. I mean, they had a wallet hack. Have you downloaded the IOTA wallet? It's the most garbage wallet I've ever used in my entire life. The IOTA wallet is absolutely garbage. Bitfinex disallowed any sort of U.S. customer base. So I can't even put it on Bitfinex anymore. Binance is the only one who's using it right now. Again, I still like the technology. I mean, me and Sam read the white paper. Our minds were blown. We're both engineers. We both have a very strong tech background. I mean, I worked for 7 Fortune 500 companies as an automation consultant. So we have a really, really good tech background. And it's still hard to grasp. Smart contracts haven't even been enabled for it. So machine-to-machine learning is completely out of the question. Completely free transaction fees. Not Now, IOTA is a very long speculative term play, and that's how you should treat it. You shouldn't be trading in and out of IOTA. In my opinion, you could swing trade it without a doubt, but I have a certain percentage of my portfolio in IOTA, and I'm not touching it. I'm just gonna let it ride. And if it works, it works. I have some Stellar, I have some Ripple. Absolutely have some Stellar and some Ripple. I bought Stellar for 0.02 cents. Sorry, 0.2 cents. 0.2 cents, yeah, sorry. $0.002. That's how low I bought Stellar at. And, was I lucky? Maybe, but was I researched back then? Definitely. That's why I started this YouTube channel. Because we're early adopters right now. If you're invested in cryptocurrency, you're an early adopter right now. 0.1% of the United States, the modern world, the most technologically advanced world in the country in the world, 0.1% of adult population is invested in cryptocurrency. So you're telling me that this is it? Oh my God, Bitcoin's at 11,000. We're headed down from here. Are you kidding me? We haven't even seen institutions come in. We haven't even seen the whole new flood on the market coming. So don't worry, guys. Absolutely don't worry, okay? ARK needs a boost. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with ARK. It's just chugging along. BitConnect, yeah. BitConnect. LOL Bcash, yeah. What the hell was that, guys? Like, what the hell was Roger Ver thinking? If you haven't checked it out, Bitcoin Error Log and Roger Ver, absolutely great interview. I think it was like 30, 40 minutes, but go check it out, guys. I mean, it was a pretty cool interview. Definitely really, really cool. You should definitely check it out. Ethos. I don't really like Ethos. I was never a fan of Bitcoins. Who was lucky enough to get on the Icon presale? I know. I wasn't able to get on the Icon presale either. I was kind of mad. I got some Icon. Yeah, I mean, I wish I had some Icon, guys. If you guys like Icon, you should buy some Aeon. Yeah, I've heard some good things about that. Aeon or whatever. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Wish I got more. I bought Status months ago and thought it was crap. Today I love it. I didn't sell it because I couldn't be bothered moving it from you. What does Status really have to offer? Not much. I mean, Kin does it. Obsidian does it. I don't really get the whole appeal behind messenger cryptocurrencies. You have to hit. It's really a first to market advantage. So if they could get first to market, it's going to be tough. Kin is the Kick. You know what Kick is, right? The messenger app already have 300 million users on it. And you're telling me that Status is going to beat Kin to the marketplace? Tough pill to swallow. There's a massive pill, and you're trying to swallow it. You're going to choke. So, yeah, Status, still speculative. Obviously, they had some really good announcements today. Congratulations. Do not get too emotionally attached to any cryptocurrencies, ever. All right, let's keep going through your questions. Same goes for WanChain. Yeah, WanChain's pretty cool. Not too bad. Yay for Mew inconvenience. Why? Mew is perfect. I don't understand why you guys hate Mew. My Ether wallet. I mean, I love my Ether wallet. But you know what I love even more? Let me unplug this. Let me see if this is getting up on the screen right. All right. Let me just zoom in here. Let me see. Let me know if you guys could see this. This is a Nano Ledger S. If you don't have this, you're not doing it right. If you have over $1,000 in cryptocurrencies and you don't have one of these, you are not doing it right. If you're using a Jax wallet or an Exodus wallet or a MyEther wallet or a blockchain.info wallet or Bittrex or Poloniex or Binance, and you're not putting your long-term storage in here, you're doing it wrong. Go pick up a Nano Ledger S. I cannot stress this enough, guys. I cannot stress this enough. A couple of YouTubers like CryptoNick and Trayvon James. Everyone's heard of Trayvon James and CryptoNick. Big BitConnect fans, right? Don't get me started. But, YouTubers nevertheless, I have a respect for everybody, whether they like their Ponzi schemes or not. Trayvon James lost allegedly 110 BTC from his Jax wallet. You have 110 BTC, and this is what you need. Absolutely what you need. What I do is every $40,000, I get another Nano Ledger S. Why the hell not? It's so secure, so safe. Have everything I've ever needed right here. Get one, guys. Get one. All right. EOS had a pump recently. Absolutely love EOS. We just went over that. Longest ICO ever. Absolutely. Year-long ICO. I mean, what the hell does that mean? QuantStamp looks interesting. Absolutely. We're going to do a presentation on that for you, George, if you're still here. Again, guys, once this becomes available, share this on the page, and you'll be eligible. Right now, Ariel, he was the first. We picked a random number generator, and his name came up. He was number 1. And that's what you get. You get some free Kyber. So we'll reach out to you. Don't worry, Ariel. Oh, whoops, that was a YouTube ending. We're going to keep going through your coins, go through some more technical analysis. LA is crazy expensive. Yeah, LA is crazy expensive. I live here. It is crazy, crazy expensive, but cheers for Bitcoin. Yeah, QuantStamp. I definitely need to check it out, guys. Do you think Bitcoin Cash is going to pump hard once Coinbase releases everyone's coins on August 4th? Okay, so let me ask you this, okay? There's 1,000 people, okay, and 100 apples. So one apple is worth $2. And that's the going price for an apple is $2 because there's only 100 apples and there's 1,000 people that want it, right? If nobody wanted the apples would be worthless. So we have 100 apples and we have 1,000 people. If I enter 1,000 more Bitcoin Cash into the market, what will it do? If I enter 100 more apples into the Bitcoin market, what will it do? That's a Bitcoin market. If I enter double the amount of apples into the Apple market, where it's only 100 apples right now, so there's 200 apples in total now, and there's still only 1,000 investors, what will that do to the price of an apple? If you don't touch the demand and you increase the supply, it will go down. It's just basic supply and demand, guys. Basic supply and demand. And that's what I really want to stress to you guys, that this is all peer-to-peer, right? There's no big institutions buying. There's a lot of whales. No, don't get me wrong. Excuse me. Water. But don't get me wrong. There's a lot of whales. But you need to understand this is also based off supply and demand. When you increase the supply, when there's a token increase, when Ripple decides to release several more billion Ripple coins, the demand is going to be the same. Therefore, the Ripple price will be decreasing. Therefore, the Stellar price will be decreasing. Stellar, they say that it's estimated only 17 million right now. So let's go to CoinMarketCap. I think the total supply of Stellar is 100 billion. 17 billion right now. 100 billion is going to be the total supply. So yeah, guys, it's a lot to think about. It's a lot to think about. It's a lot to swallow. So you got to be careful there. You got to be real careful when there's a lot of more tokens being supplied out. All right, let's check it out. Okay, will ETP Moon ADA have so many coins in circulation? Why is it worth buying, assuming it's worth buying? Have you seen the order books for ADA? Allison Holloway, have you seen the order books for ADA? I'm gonna have to show them to you. It's quite absurd. It's really quite absurd. I don't know who the hell is buying ADA. Decent platform, man. I mean, I bought ADA at like 14 cents. Or sorry, not 14 cents. 2 cents. And it's at 14. It was at 14. Let's look through the order books. That is a massive wall. That is a massive wall. That is not a consumer. That is a massive whale manipulating this market. There's no way that wall should be existing like that. There's no way. There's absolutely no way. That's absurd. 400. You're telling me it's a 400 BTC wall? Let's just calculate that. Where's the calculator? And you're saying there's 300 of buy pressure? Are you kidding me? That many people are interested in ADA? Are you absolutely kidding me? Like, this coin just came out. This is whale manipulating the market. These walls have existed since the beginning of ADA, since the release. 400 BTC on the buy, 400 BTC on the sell. And let's actually, where's the calculator at? Let's pull down the calculator here. All right. So let's just call it 10,000, guys, and we're gonna say 300. That's a $3 million wall on ADA. That is absolutely absurd. That is absolutely absurd. No, I don't believe that there's that much buy pressure. Let's just see how many millions is being contributed to this here. Cardano. Decent amount of volume, but you're not seeing this on IOTA. You're not seeing this on Bitcoin Gold. Maybe you're seeing this on LTC. Let's look at it. Let's take a look. Let's look at these order books, guys. Where the hell is the order book? What? Oh, I'm blind as a bat. That's 30 BTC. The other one was 300. Are you kidding me? Let's keep zooming out. 180 BTC to get all the way down here. Are you kidding me? No, it's being completely manipulated. That's whale action, guys. That's complete whale action. All right, can I buy BTC now or wait? Let's go check out the BTC charts. I'll never get tired of talking about BTC. Bitcoin is the king, guys. You better believe it. No Roger Ver scam is ever gonna dethrone Bitcoin. On the hourly, sell signal going down on the hourly. Let's look at the 2 hours. Looking like a top. Nope, it is not looking like a buy right now. We're hitting resistance. We're hitting that upward trending resistance. Our stoic is absurdly high, but we are seeing the green momentum. This is not a sell. I'm not telling you to sell. But if we get down 10,500, maybe you could swing trade it. But it is difficult. It's difficult to understand the psychology behind Bitcoin as well. Because when people are getting into cryptocurrencies, they're investing into Bitcoin. So a lot of technical analysis has to also deal with the fundamentals and psychological component there. So honestly, guys, I would not be selling your Bitcoin right now. It's just not a good idea. I mean, it's just not safe right now to be selling and buying back in because it's easy to get burnt if you're not watching the markets correctly. In the short term, I think we are headed down for the short term. I think we'll maybe even come back right down to 10,000. I mean, if we're going down to 1,000, I'd be scared, right? A lot of my money's tied up in Bitcoin, but yeah. So I really would keep a closer eye on that, guys. Whoa, JM. I did not tell you to pull out of ADA. ADA is a good project. All I'm saying is there's a lot of manipulation going on of ADA. A lot of manipulation going on with ADA. It's a decent project. I mean, there's a shit ton of coins. Shit ton of coins, guys. Let's look at the actual total number. All right, yeah. I mean, it's being pumped. Max supply is 45 million. Only about half is circulating right now. This is a rough one, guys. I mean, 45 billion. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Can you pull up Litecoin? Yeah, let's check out the Litecoin charts. Again, guys, hit that thumbs up if you like the content. I would really appreciate it. Still kind of new to streaming. Only been doing this for a couple weeks. Sam's been doing this for a lot longer. He's obviously much better at this than I am right now. But also, if you're completely new to cryptocurrencies, you don't know anything about technical analysis, and you don't know anything about like cryptocurrencies in general, what the technology behind it is, please, 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 go check it out. Go check out our Udemy link, guys. It's in the description below. I think it's absolutely necessary that you guys take some sort of education, whether it be my course or not. Our course is only $10. Whether you take it or not, it's okay. You could continue watching my free live stream. That's fine. But you really need to become educated because you need to be able to make your own class. I'm not here. I wish I was awake 24 hours a day. I wish it wasn't really cryptosomniac and I never slept, right? But you really need to make these calls for yourself because things in the cryptocurrency markets happen in an instant. Regulations, boom, down 40%. Coinbase down for 2 hours, down 25%. Bitcoin shot down 25%. In an hour, it shot down for 25%. That's absurd. Absolutely absurd. Regulations are going to shoot it down even further. So you really want to keep an eye out for that, guys. Really, really want to keep an eye out for that. And we're looking at now the Litecoin USD charts, 4-hour interval here, guys. Again, Udemy link below, in the description below. Check it out. It's absolutely worth watching. 4.5-hour course. If you don't like it, just refund it. I mean, the refunds are guaranteed, so don't even worry about it. Definitely go check it out. And if you want more technical analysis like this on a more extreme basis, check out our Moon Lounge. Signups, or by tonight, we're going to close off signups for the month of December. So do go check that out. And if you are already in, we will invite you guys all later tonight. So check us out. Patreon link below. Okay, let's check out this. Wow, we shot up out of that. That's a really nice strong cross. I mean, that is some parabolic movement here. But again, we drew this line a while back. I mean, obviously, I haven't touched this Litecoin since we've been online. So we're looking at that. So now we're seeing some massive growth slow down right about here. And let's look at our MACD and what's going on. We're looking like we're hit a top here. You see how beautiful the technical analysis works out. We drew this line. We didn't have to worry about it, and we already saw when the sell signal was actually going to be. The sell signal was at that psychological 100. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. We're headed down, guys. Litecoin, we're headed down. RSI is high as hell. Stoic is maintaining high as hell. It's just a matter of time until we head down or volume picks back up. And if volume picks back up, we'll head right back up. But I highly doubt that Litecoin, unless Litecoin has a big announcement. Let's check out. Let's check out Litecoin. Litecoin up 16%. Weekly cryptocurrency market update. Nothing really coming out of the Litecoin camp. So nothing really to worry about here for Litecoin. So nothing really to worry about. All right, let's keep going. Vert dropping exactly how we thought it was going to drop. Neo, please here. Neo rocks. Could you look at Neo? Okay. Lots of Neo questions. And then we'll round out the night, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please smash that thumbs up, guys. It really helps me, and it really helps the channel, grow. And I love discussing with you guys, and, tell your friends about it. Share. Oh, yeah, guys. Share. Ariel just won some free Kyber. We'll be reaching out to him. But share once this video comes up, share it, and you will be eligible to win some free Kyber. I mean, you have a 1 out of 6 chance to win some Kyber here. Actually, Sam will never win because he's part of the team here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 people. So you have a 25% chance to win. Share it, guys, and you get some free Kyber. If you don't know about Kyber, it is Vitalik's second advised project, OMG being the first one. Obviously, Ethereum, he founded Ethereum, but OMG being the second one, and Kyber being the third. So let's check out Neo, and then we'll round out the night here for you guys. Neo BTC. Come on, Neo. Come on, Neo. Why are you doing so bad? Look at that. I mean, you see that red line right behind that green line? We drew that a while back indicating support, right? Look, I mean, we're scrolling out. I mean, it's everything touches that red line where it's at right now. And damn it, it's not going up. I mean, let's look at the RSI. RSI is 37, not the greatest. I mean, it's Neo's time to shine. I mean, I would pick some up. It is low right now. And it's super, super low when you're comparing it to BTC. It is super, super low. I mean, it's got to go up. Absolutely. If BTC maintains 11,000, this thing's got to go up. Like, look. Oh, wow. Yeah, definitely buy signal. I might buy some right now. I mean, I already have 1,000 Neo, so I should probably diversify. But it's looking like a nice buy for me. Let's look at this. So we're going to draw this out for you here, guys. So here's another red momentum. Here's another red momentum. Oh, but the red momentum gets smaller, just like this, right? So you guys see that the red momentum gets smaller and smaller. Red, bright red indicating heavy sell pressure, and red indicating, dark red indicating sell pressure waning, right? So this is probably something that we'll see probably around the second or the third. We'll probably get out of it, or even sooner. And what do I expect? Actually, what the hell? I expect a pump. This is what's beautiful about cryptocurrencies and momentum in general. Everything is cyclical in nature, guys. Everything is cyclical in nature. Therefore, this green hump is followed by a red dump. Not always necessary. You see these. You see this. This is essentially a bull trap here, right? Hold on. Let's go back. Let's see if the price action was there. So we saw 2 red humps here, right? 1 hump, 1 red hump, 2 red humps. Actually, let me shrink that down for you. Okay, so we have 1 red hump, 2 red hump. And what did we see? We saw a bull trap. People bought in here, and then they literally had 0 gains. That was a bull trap. But then they're green, lots of price action. So what am I expecting here after this massive dump starting from the 26th of November? I'm expecting a nice little pump for Neo. But this is the BTC indicator. BTC indicator is a little skewed because BTC's run-up has been amazing. Let's check that out comparatively. Yeah, look at that. BTC has been outperforming Neo hardcore. So let's check out Neo USD. So we're continuing hitting off this resistance. I told you guys to buy around to 30. This mark right here, this is that resistance line that it would continue to bounce off of. Hold on, let's go into the 1 hour and tell you real nice price levels here. We're headed down, guys. You picked that up at the $30 mark. You picked that up at $30. You don't pick it up at 36. I think we're headed down just for one last little screw you, Snay. We're not pumping yet. We're going to pick it up at 30, and we're going to ride the wave to 40. That's what I really believe. You pick up, let me just Q levels right here. Pick up at 30, guys. I zoomed in for you. I don't know why I zoomed in for you. But that's what I'm predicting. You pick up at 30. I definitely think it's going to be headed down. Yes, I do. Hold on, it's Sam.
Write down this piece of paper.
Yeah. Sam says hello, everybody. And he wishes he could live stream, but he's so busy working on our website. We're developing a portfolio tracker. We got some really great stuff coming up for you. Or it's either that or 1, 2, 3. All right. Sorry, guys. I'm back. We're headed down. You can pick this up at $30. No doubt in my mind. You can pick this up at $30. And if we break through 30, actually watch the market. Watch the market. You watch that MACD. And if that MACD starts to level out, you pick it up at 30. Easy going. 30, maybe even 30, 32. 31, maybe around 31, 32. The 32 to 30 range, that's when I'm calling the buy call. And let's zoom back in here. And this is what I'm expecting, right? Or maybe even a higher rise up, right? So when that crosses down there, when it crosses that blue and that orange cross on that hourly down there on that MACD, that's when you want to buy. And that's what's going to happen. It's going to happen. And I'm just going to leave this here. And I'm going to leave this indicator here. And we're going to go back to it. Just make sure you guys remind me, Neo Dollar USD, for all my loyal viewers. Thank you so much for supporting me. It means the world to me. I mean, I was an engineer working at a pharmaceutical consultancy company. Worked for types like Genentech, Gilead, Johnson & Johnson, GSK, Pfizer, AstraZeneca. Worked at all those. And, I don't get me wrong, I loved automation. I love my job. But, this was really my dream and my real passion. I've been involved in the crypto space since 2011. Super early adopter, as you could call it. But yeah, thank you so much for supporting the channel. And we're gonna round the night out of our top gainers, our top losers, and what's going on. Okay. Actually, let's go. That question's really good, Michael Scott. Any predictions for the next BTC high before a big correction? Anyone? All right, let's just check it out. Okay. Interactive chart. All right. All right. Okay. So this is what I'm projecting, guys. This is the projection here. We're probably going to drop down to around that high 10. Low 10, maybe even high 9,000, and then we're going to correct back up with intense pressure, and we're going to finally break through this wall. And as soon as we break through that wall, that 11,100 mark, that all-time high, I think the market is cyclical in nature, and I think we are going to continue to go down, and we're going to have this small little pump here. And let's actually zoom out to the daily and show you guys. That was a bull trap right there. You see that? No, that's not cyclical right there. That's market enthusiasm. I mean, that's just insane. That's just insane growth. Maybe this will happen again. Maybe not. But let's actually go into the 4 hour, because the daily is not telling us much. Yep. I think we're actually going to only come down to maybe 10,400 before we break through all-time highs. That's my projection, guys. I think we're going to break through all-time highs before the 6th or the 7th. And along with that, Vertcoin's going to explode as well because of the halving and all-time highs of Bitcoin. Vertcoin's going to absolutely explode. So do check that out. And true. And this is very true. All of this is very subject to speculation. I mean, all this analysis, the only thing that we can do is determine in the immediate short-term future what's a good buy price, what's a good sell price, based on MACD, based on your RSI, based on your wave trend, based on your momentum. You should not be listening to me alone. You should be doing your own research. That's why I highly suggest that you follow other YouTubers and you get educated. We have a course for only $10. Check that out. Or any other course that is highly rated. Our course is, I think, the highest rated on Udemy. So do check that out. Well, over 1,600 students. But go if you're not satisfied with that, money back guarantee. But guys, get educated. Honestly, you should not be listening to me like I'm some sort of savior. No one truly knows. No one truly knows. You know what I mean? That's absolutely true, and I absolutely agree with you guys. But I'm not a gambit here, right? Like, I'm not here trying to steal your money. I'm not making any money off of you, trying to get you to sell and then buy and then sell. No, you should be totally doing this at the time of prediction. You should not be listening to someone like these newsletters that are predicting a whole month of price action. That's complete bullshit. It's complete bullshit. Some of these newsletters that are released once a month are just saying, hey, buy NEO until it's $40. That shit gets outdated within 20, at least, not 20, but I would say 48 to 72 hours after release, it gets outdated because the market moves that much. This is not the stock market. This is the cryptocurrency market. And you have to treat it like. You have to be vigilant every single day if you are an active trader. Absolutely. If you're a long-term trader, we have strategies for that as well. Pick up your Qutum, pick up your NEO, pick up your OMG. Maybe not pick up your Stellar, because it's absurdly high right now. Obviously keep BTC and ETH in your portfolio. Pick up that ARK. That ARK is super stable. Oh my God, we didn't even go through ARK. I was about to jip you guys out and not go through ARK. Come on, guys. You guys got to remind me. We always have to go through ARK and Komodo. Wow, look at that, guys. Super low. Come on. Why does it keep hitting support? ARK, do something. Do something, ARK. Yeah, I've had such high faith in ARK, and I've continued buying this on the support line. And I guess the support line is going up, but come on, ARK, just do something. Look at this, just no price action, just hitting support, hitting support, hitting support. Just go up, damn it. It's about time. Look at that red momentum. Wow, that is a massive momentum. What happened? Jesus. All right. ARK BTC. Okay. That's a lot of red momentum. If ARK whispers something that sounds like a rumor, we're exploding. Absolutely. This thing is wound up tight like a spring, and it's going to explode through the roof. We're hitting support. We're hitting the BTC upward trending support that we've been following since August. Even earlier than August. May. Even earlier than May. Since inception, since this thing even became traded on Bittrex, since April, guys, we've been following this trend, and this is the time to pick up. This is it. This is the time to pick up. If you're not picking up ARK at this low price, I don't know what you're doing. It's never dipped below that upward trending support. It never has. But the charts don't look good. I'll tell you the truth. The charts just don't look good. Let's just look. Wow, actually the charts don't look good, but we're seeing a lot of uncertainty here on ARK. RSI looking stable. This is tricky, but guys, I'm not I'm not bullshitting you, but hold on. Let me push up to the day. I don't care about technicals anymore. Let's throw all the technicals out of the roof, out of the window. If it's going through the roof, I don't know what's going on. You don't have a roof or anything. I don't know. Anyways, I pushed this out to the daily. It's hit upward trending support once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. This is the 5th time it's hit upward trending support. I'm not telling you, I'm not showing you any speculative indicator. This is just historical evidence that what ARK is doing. ARK hits support, shoots up. ARK hits support, shoots up. ARK hits support, shoots up a little bit. ARK hits support. What do you think? Is it going to shoot down? Is it going to shoot my foot? I hope not. No, guys, it's getting wound up and it's going to shoot up. Its time is coming. Absolutely. Leisure picker. Absolutely. That means you should buy more ARK. I have several thousand ARK in my portfolio. I have several thousand NEO in my portfolio. Would I be selling and trading ARK and NEO even if I already have a bunch? This is a personal decision. I don't think I would be. That's tricky, guys. That's super tricky. Now, I may pick up some more ARK just because, look at that. I mean, you don't have to believe me. You don't have to believe any YouTuber. Half these YouTubers are full of shit. Maybe I'm full of shit. You know, don't believe me. You know, don't trust me. Get educated. Look at the charts for yourself. And if you need help looking at your charts, book a one-on-one. Join the Moon Lounge. There's hundreds of courses out there. There's hundreds of YouTubers out there that you may like more than me. You may like not like more than me. Doesn't matter. But just get educated. I'm only one man with one opinion. Remember that. There's hundreds of other YouTubers out there. Check them out. And if they're spouting some gospel or some bullshit, you know, like, hey, this is a great coin, you know, let me give you some secret advice because I'm an insider of an ICO or some bullshit. Absolutely not. That's so horseshit. You know, look at history. Look at historical precedences. Look at the indicators. Look at what the volume is doing. Like, we haven't even looked at this volume, and this volume is barely existent, guys. Like, look at that. This barely existent volume shrinking down to zero. I mean, this thing is wound tight like a spring. Sell volume coming out strong. I think it could even hit even lower support, but damn, this thing's bound to any sort of news that it comes out, it's going to shoot up, guys. It's going to shoot up. Wait, are you saying we should stop watching? Yeah, I mean, if you think I'm full of shit, if you think if you've been reading and educating yourself and, you know, studying it's my full-time job is researching and preparing our website. I mean, I'm aggregating all these news sources on the Hot Stories feed on CryptoSomniac.com. And, you know, I'm on the Moon Lounge 24/7. And I am also, if you go to our news section, the website's going to get much faster. We're migrating to Amazon web hosting services, so it's a different type of server. Yeah, guys. I mean, look at that. I mean, just great news coming out. And I also aggregate this. We have a great algorithm, actually, that we created here to get the highest, most popular, most reputable news sources out there. So if you're looking for your one-stop shop for all your news, do check this out. Just once a day, just read through it. I mean, once you read through this for a couple of months, you know, you're going to be educated. Absolutely, you're going to be educated. You know, CME futures, CME actually pushed it back from the 11th to the 18th. Did you guys know that? So CME, the crypto futures. If you haven't checked out what futures are, Bitcoin futures, just go to our front page, our home page, and Sam does an amazing explanation on what Bitcoin futures are. And CME Group, $6.8 trillion market. Every year, $6.8 trillion of volume gets traded on CME. Trillion, guys. Trillion. Wake up. Trillion, guys. Okay? I just want to emphasize this. It's huge news. And it's everything. Bitcoin futures are going to be getting traded. That's a whole slew of institutional investors finally being introduced to Bitcoin. Institutions, whether you're a trader or not, you're allowed. So I have some cousins. I have some family members. I have a brother-in-law that's a trader, and he's legally not allowed to trade cryptocurrencies on Wall Street. You know, if you're part of the financial institution, you're legally not allowed to do that. And that's exactly what I'm trying to say is, once this hits CME, these traders, these hardcore traders, and when I mean hardcore, I know some people that trade millions of dollars a day down in Manhattan. Okay, and they'll finally have the option to do that. And this is great information that you should know, that you should be getting educated on, rather. Buy OMG on every drop. Absolutely. What am I doing? I keep wanting to leave, but I keep getting sucked in by this awesome live chat. Okay, OMG, BTC. OMG is my favorite coin. I can't believe I haven't gone through that in a while. LOL, guys. LOL. Look at that. I said Q at 5:45. Wait, I don't even know when this was. This is a daily? I don't know when this was. It didn't quite hit 5:45, unfortunately. Oh, actually it did. Yeah, it hit that red line, 5:45. Holy crap. Yeah, it hit 5:37. You see that low? I'm pointing at the screen like you guys can see. Let me point this out. Let me circle this for you. That was a shitty circle, but you know what I mean. So the low was 5:37, and I called it at 5:45. So if you would have just listened to that call on 11/2, you would have made 45, 50%. Looking good. OMG, looking good. Let's go to the 4 hour. Looking good. Looking good on the 4 hour as well. Let's look at the hourly. Not looking good. All right. In the immediate short term, don't buy. But once this does come out to the low cyclical nature of Bitcoin, so if you see that when that red momentum comes back in, go ahead and buy. OMG, you should always be buying. OMG is supported by a $4.2 billion company, Omise. I know OmiseGO is the brainchild behind that company. Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, is personally... This is Vitalik's baby, pretty much, right? He is literally guiding this project from beginning to end, as long as with his developers, advising them what to do, what not to do, how to handle themselves, how to market themselves. They have zero marketing budget. They're doing everything off word of mouth. And if you're not buying OmiseGO, you're doing this whole crypto game wrong. You know, maybe full of shit here. I don't care. OmiseGO, absolutely amazing. You should be buying some right now. You should be buying some on every dip. A little high right now, so I wouldn't be buying it right now. Everything has to be done in perspective, guys. All right, Elan, come on. None of that talk like that. Shit, how many crypto coins are there? Wow, this is a civil discussion, and whether you like John McAfee or not, there's no need to be racist or whatever. Plasma, yeah. I mean, I think Plasma is completely speculative. You should be investing in Raiden. I mean, Raiden is so down right now. Let's go to CoinEG and check it out. RDN, Binance, BTC. God damn it. I hate CoinEG sometimes. I have to do it all over again. RDN, BTC on Binance. Daily? Absolutely not. We want the hourly. Yeah, that is not looking that great actually. But I would be picking up Raiden on the drops. I would let it drop a little bit more. I think it has room to drop a little bit more. Let's see the 30-minute actually. Let Raiden drop a little more. It's going to drop a little more, and I would pick some up. Super speculative play, but definitely go pick that up. All right. Actually, I want to go over one more coin, and then I'll wrap things up, and I'll show you what the insane gain is today. Okay. All right, Komodo, finally doing something. And what is Komodo doing? On the hourly? I don't want to look at the hourly. That's why. I want to look at the 4 hour. All right, guys. It's getting too intense in here. It's getting way too intense in here. Let's check it out. Komodo. What the hell is going on with Komodo? Why isn't Komodo and ARK taking off? That's what I'm wondering, you know? Look at this huge downward descending triangle. That is not good, but I think we could be breaking out relatively soon. But look at this, guys. The red support line, historical average, since May, we hit it once, hit it twice, hit it 3 times, hit it 4 times, hit it 5 times, hit it 6 times, hit it 7 times. We're well below it. This is the first time we're below it, this support line. So all these orders are getting eaten up right now. We're going to go check this out on Komodo because this is ridiculous. What the hell is happening with Komodo? Is the Monet's ICO not working yet or something? I know they had a delay, but what the hell is going on with this? Komodo. I mean, I love the Komodo tech. You should check it out. It's called Delegated Proof of Stake. And Delegated Proof of Stake, what that really means is it leverages Bitcoin and it leverages the Bitcoin ledger. What's up, dude?
Just wondering. I need to know where those new emails are. I don't know where they are.
I got you. All right, guys, we're gonna round things up tonight. Got to work on some website stuff. What?
Did you give away your copper yet?
Yep.
You chose a winner?
Mm-hmm.
Did you give it to Twitter? You're gonna give it to
I already gave it to Facebook.
You need to give it to Kim?
Yep, I will. I'm live right now. All right, that's Sam again. Sam, you wanna make an appearance?
Hello, what's up, everybody? What's going on?
Working hard on our website.
Hopefully Snake treated you well.
Yeah.
I'll be live streaming soon.
Yeah.
Working hard.
All right, check out the website. Check out the website. Hold on. Now I'm all sorts of messed up. Okay. Check out the website if you guys want to check it, the Bitcoin Beginner's Guide, or sign up to our newsletter. We hired 4 new writers from our Bitcoin gains. We hired 4 new writers to help really consolidate everything to you in a weekly or bi-weekly package. So definitely sign up for our newsletter. It's right here, absolutely free. We will also be... Wait, wow. Hold on. That's a decent little wall for Komodo. But, guys, Komodo is being really iffy, so I don't know. Insane gain is Walton/Bitcoin. Huge gains on Walton and Bitcoin. Walton and Block Show Asia right now doing tremendously. Really showing up the room in Block Show Asia in 2017. It's called Block Show Asia 2017. Okay. Let's check it out. And what is the biggest loser? Rated. Huge loser. Really speculative. They just had a release. They just had a wallet release. Pretty speculative. So definitely pick some up in your portfolio, but let it drop a little bit. I truly think it'll drop a little bit. Biggest coin to look out for, QTOM. I know this was yesterday's, but let's go over the QTOM charts. Why not? Actually, QTOM USD. QTOM doing pretty well actually right now. Now we've hit that low and now we're headed towards up. Look at that, guys. This is perfect. This is a perfect example. I hope I remember this. Again, remember this QTOM dollar pairing on Bittrex. If you're a loyal viewer, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much if you're my loyal viewer. Like, I remember you guys by name, like Strother, Adaman, you know. Actually, I've seen Leisure before. I've seen Michael Scott before. Thank you so much for watching. Really supports the channel. I really appreciate it. You know, I'm being completely genuine here. Like, this isn't some bullshit. You know, I don't have that many viewers, and you guys are the early adopters to CryptoSomniac. So really appreciate it, guys. So I'm predicting this negative momentum is waning right now. Therefore, what does that mean? Cyclical in nature. What do you guys expect? We're expecting a nice little green pump, right? So that's what I'm expecting as well, that we'll have a nice little green pump. And I think Qtum, maybe not in terms of Bitcoin, but in terms of the dollar indicator, I think Qtum could continue to rise for the immediate short term. Let's look at the hourly and see if that really pans out. So the hourly does not look good. So I think it could drop a little bit. Actually, let's look at that 30-minute. Let's zoom in even closer. Wow, actually, now's not the worst time to pick something up. But I think it could drop a little bit lower. But even if you wanted to pick something up, even at around $12, $12.64 that it is right now, yeah, it's actually not too bad. Let's keep reading through your comments before I end out the stream here. I sold my house in 2015 to invest in gold, silver, and cryptos, but not married to rent. Absolutely. Fantastic, Michael. That is the right thing to do. Ethereum is the right time to buy. Okay, let's check out Ethereum. Ethereum not looking that great. Actually, it's looking fantastic. Wow. I mean, is that really sustainable though? Is that no? Ooh, what would I do here? I'm not buying or selling Ethereum. If you want to buy, great. Ethereum, I think Ethereum's going to get to $1,000 by 2018. Long-term play, buy Ethereum. But right now, would I buy Ethereum? Let's check this out, this MACD on the 30-minute. I'd let it drop a little bit, guys. That upward trending support line is holding true. I would let it drop to at least under 450, maybe even at 450, until I would consider buying it. But right now, it's a little bit risky right now. It's either way, guys. I already went through Litecoin, Elan. You can rewind through the stream, and we went through Litecoin. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell. And that bell, what it does is it alerts you anytime I'm online, so you guys can catch me live stream. Love talking to you guys on live stream. Check out facebook.cryptosomniac or twitter.com/cryptosomniac. And tomorrow we'll go off Twitter. How about that? Tomorrow we'll go off Twitter, retweet it, and you'll be eligible to... Actually, right now we'll do Facebook. So facebook.com/cryptosomniac. Once this video becomes available, retweet it, and you'll be eligible to win some free Kyber. Today, there was a 25%. If you retweeted it today, there was a 25% chance you would have won. So congratulations to anyone who did reshare, or Ariel rather, because he won some free Kyber. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, last day to join the Moon Lounge Patreon for the month of December. Then we'll be closing submissions. We have around 85 people in it right now. Absolutely amazing group of people. You guys have come so far. I mean, you guys are telling me things like some technical analysis and calls that I wouldn't have been able to spot. So fantastic group of people there. Absolutely great group of people. We have one-on-one appointments with me and Sam if you want to pick our brains to help with portfolio management, or if you want some one-on-one training with technical analysis, I could obviously help you with that. With Facebook group right here. So we have a Facebook group. We have a Facebook page, facebook.com/cryptosomniac. Facebook page. I post charts there occasionally. And if you would have seen this, we broke out hard. So we were at around $9,700, and we broke out to $11,000 immediately after I posted this chart. So do check that out. And we go over patterns and whatnot in the Moon Lounge. We have a course on Udemy. I mean, if you're new to cryptocurrency, it's only $10. So go check that out, guys. It's pretty great stuff. Really, really great stuff. If you don't like it, return your money. We'll return, give you a refund rather. And that's it, man. Really appreciate it. Check out CryptoSomniac.com. Sign up for our newsletter. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And this is Snake here at CryptoSomniac.com, where the markets never sleep and neither do we. Thanks again, guys.